If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here, and reminder that Kevin from Fountain Pen Revolution will be on this coming Wednesday, March 15th at 10:30 Central Time. So, you want to watch out for this. And today, I want to show you a few of Kevin's inks. Just do some little colors, get you an idea what they look like. I think they're actually cool. And then that's Fire Pockets in this side. Is that right? Monteverde.
Fire Opal. Mm-hmm.
Fire Opal? Oh, okay. Fire Opal, Monteverde, and this is a regular old notebook that you can get at CVS. But what's different about this notebook, which I've had a while, is it's a plain notebook, right? Right. But if you see on the label, it will say made in Vietnam. So this handles ink very well. So it's been a while since I used it. We're going to retest it, show you the inks, and then we're done. How's that? Good. I know you like that. First, let's show this new ink that I got in the mail. Like I really need ink? No. But yeah, I'm an ink freak. Here we go. I don't know why I have to close the knife all the time. Oh, here we go. So, today here in Fort Worth, it's been 88 degrees, I believe, isn't it?
Yes.
Woo! Nice one. Of course, I've been kicking in the scene in the bed almost all day, so I finally got up about, what, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I forgot, and started doing my thing. Here we go. And again, this ink is what my
Fire Opal.
Fire Opal. Not Fire LaPaul, but Fire Opal. Here we go. Fire Opal. Fire me up, baby. Fire Opal, and there you go. All right. What does it look like to you?
Well, I think it's an orangish, and it has just replaced Dragon Napalm as my favorite ink.
Really?
I like this one better, yes.
So later I have to come back with Dragon Napalm against Fire Opal, whatever you call
Fire
it.
Opal.
Fire Opal. So Fire, what you call it, against the, what?
Fire Opal.
Against the...
Oh, Dragon Napalm.
Against the Dragon, whatever you call it. How's that? Very funny. Okay, here we go. So now we're going to get... Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Here we go. No more bread and butter. No more toast and jam. No more bread and butter for my loving man. Here we go. Here we go. Everybody's excited. They're drooling at their mouths. It's just because they love ink so much. They just can't stand it. And then you got some that say, oh, I can stand it. Oh, whatever. I'll just move it right on. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dun, 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 dun. What is that song, Mr. Announcer?
Wooly Bully.
Wooly Bully! Yes. Good old Wooly. He's a bully. And then, of course, this was the Fountain Revolution.
Firecracker Red.
Firecracker Red. And I've got a few more colors, but Kevin has quite a collection of colors that he had made for him specifically. Ooh, very good. Now that's a
that's a nice rich one.
That's a nice green. What the?
It is Green with envy.
Oh, I'm green with envy. Please give me some more ink. Ink, ink, viv, ink, vink, ink. Okay. Is that enough of that? Okay. And then we're going to come up with some beautiful
Mardi Gras.
by Fountain Pen Revolution. It's a revolution of ink. Okay. Can you do Okaday? Sure, you can do Okaday. We all can do the Okaday. They need to come up with the Okaday ink. What do you think, Mr. Announcer?
Sure.
Yeah, why not? I will live forever. And I think I've got one left. Let me see. Yeah. Uno, dos, tres. Yeah, one left. And this is also a beautiful blue. And this is
Royal Flush Blue.
Royal Flush Blue. So, Mr. Kevin, here we go. Oh, that's so pretty. Woo! Look at that. It's got my name on it.
That's a nice rich one.
Oh, it is. Oh. It's like drink me now. Okay. Yeah, if you do drink any of these inks, you'll turn that color. So this is Fountain Pen Revolution for you. Okay. Now, to say that, we need to do this next. And last but not least, let's turn this paper over and see how it held this ink. And I'd say it did an excellent job because all the inks I've done in this notebook have done the same thing. It doesn't bleed through. There's a little show through, but that's fine. And this happens with the Pilot and Mont Blancs and all the...
And plus, the Q-tip's going to put it down heavier than your nib would when you're writing, so that shouldn't be a problem at all.
I mean, I've tried, yeah, you name it. Visconti, Diamine, help me out here when you want. Mont Blanc, I said that, and Noodlers, they stay blue. Monteverde, Lamy, Cross. You see anything over there? Euchers. Is that Pelican or is that...
Pelican, did you say Diamine?
Yeah. Elistine, whatever you say it, and Conklin inks. I just about brand them on here, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, it does really a great job. So, if you're fussy about your paper, this is a good paper. And it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. I think you can pick them up. I think I either picked this up, what, 25 cents or 50 cents? I forgot. At CVS. And I think at one time, Walmart used to carry them. But need to check. And that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me on Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Doing a little ink for the stink. So, it's your game. Do your thing. Peace and love. God bless. And don't text and drive. We're out of here.